Here's a 2015 Lexus GS 350. With an aggressive attitude on performance, luxury, and safety, this GS 350 is the perfect fit for your full-throttle life. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, power telescoping steering column, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Automobile raves. Step into the GS 350 and every surface you lay your hand on is made of a high quality or soft touch material. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Experience luxury at its highest level. Conveniently located at 16100 Wayzata Boulevard in Wayzata, Minnesota.